Aurum metallicum, Allen's keynotes, gold, the element. Sanguine, ruddy people with black hair and eyes, lively, restless, anxious about the future. Old people, weak vision, corpulent, tired of life. For constitution, broken down by bad effects of mercury and syphilis. Pinning boys, low spirited, lifeless, weak memories, lacking in boyish go, testes underdeveloped, mere pendant threads, constantly dwelling on suicide. Profound melancholy, feels hateful and quarrelsome, desire to commit suicide. Life is a constant burden after abuse of mercury with nearly all complaints. Uneasy, hurried, great desire for mental and physical activity, cannot do things fast enough. Ailments from fright, anger, contradictions, mortification, vexation, dread, or reserved displeasure. Oversensitive, least contradiction excites wrath. To pain, to smell, taste, hearing, touch. Headache of people with dark olive brown complexion, sad, gloomy, taciturn, disposed to constipation from least mental exertion. Falling of the hair, especially in syphilis and mercurial affections. Hemiopia, see only the lower half. Syphilitic and mercurial affections of the bones. Caries of the nasal palatine and mastite bones, uzina, otorrhea, excessively fitted discharge, pains worse at night, drive to despair, of mercurial or syphilitic origin. Prolapsed and indurated uterus, from overreaching or straining, from hypertrophy. Menstrual and uterine affections with great melancholy, amelioration at menstrual period. Foul breath in girls at puberty. Sensation as if the heart stood still, as though it ceased beat and then suddenly gave one hard thump. Violent palpitation, anxiety with congestion of blood to head and chest after exertion, pulse small, feeble, rapid, irregular, visible beating of carotid and temporal arteries. Fatty degeneration of heart. Relations. Aurum follows and is followed well by syphilinum. Similar to Asafoetida, Calcarea, Platina, Sepia in bone uterine disease. Aggravation in cold air, when getting cold, while lying down, mental exertion. Many complaints come on only in winter. Amelioration in warm air, when growing warm in the morning and during summer. Aurum metallicum, boric materia medica. Metallic gold. Given full play, aurum develops in the organism by attacking the blood, glands and bone, conditions bearing striking resemblance to mercurial and syphilitic infections. And it is just for such deteriorations of the bodily fluids and alterations in the tissues that aurum assumes great importance as a remedy. Like the victim of syphilis, mental states of great depression are produced by it. Hopeless, despondent, and great desire to commit suicide. Every opportunity is sought for self-destruction. Exostosis carries nightly bone pains, especially cranial, nasal, and palatine. Glands swollen in crofulous subjects. Palpitation and congestions. Ascites, often in conjunction with heart affections. frequently indicated in secondary syphilis and effects of mercury. This use of gold as an antivenereal and anticrophulous remedy is very old but has been well nigh forgotten by the old school until rediscovered and placed on its scientific basis by homeopathy, and now it can never be lost again. When syphilis is implanted on the scrofulous constitution, we have one of the most untractable morbid conditions, and gold seems to be specially suited to the vile combination. Sexual hyperesthesia, arteriosclerosis, high blood pressure, nightly paroxysms of pain behind sternum, sclerosis of liver, arterial system, brain, pinning boys, low spirited, lifeless, weak memory. Mind, feeling of self-condemnation and utter worthlessness, profound despondency with increased blood pressure, with throughout disgust of life and thoughts of suicide, talks of committing suicide, great fear of death, peevish and vehement at least contradiction, anthropophobia, mental degenerations, constant rapid questioning without waiting for reply, cannot do things fast enough, oversensitiveness to noise, excitement, confusion. Head, violent pain in head, worse at night, outward pressure, roaring in head, vertigo, tearing through brain to forehead, pain in bones extending to face, congestion to head, boils on scalp. Eyes, extreme photophobia, great soreness all about the eyes and into eyeballs, double vision, upper half of objects invisible, philtains, sees fiery objects, violent pains in bones around eye, interstitial keratitis, vascular cornea, pains from without inward, sticking pains inward, trachoma with pannus. Ears, caries of ossicula and of mastoid, obstinate fitted otorrhea after scarlatina, external meatus bathed in pus, chronic nerve deafness, labyrinthine disease due to syphilis. Nose, ulcerated, painful, swollen, obstructed, inflammation of nose, caries, fitted discharge, purulent, bloody, boring pains in nose, worse at night, putrid smell from nose, sensitive smell, horrible odor from nose and mouth, knobby tip of nose. Mouth, foul breath in girls at puberty, taste putrid or bitter, ulceration of gums. Face, tearing in zygoma, mastoid and other facial bones inflamed. Throat, stitches when swallowing, pain in glands, caries of the palate. Stomach, appetite and thirst increased with qualmishness, swelling of epigastrium, burning at stomach and hot irritations. Abdomen, right hypochondrium, hot and painful, inserated flatus, swelling and suppuration of inguinal glands, urine, turbid like bitter milk with thick sediment, painful retention. I repeat, urine, turbid like buttermilk with thick sediment. Rectum, constipation, stools hard and knotty, nocturnal diarrhea with burning in rectum. Male, pain and swelling of testicles, chronic induration of testicles, violent erections, atrophy of testicles in boys, hydrocele. Female, great sensitiveness of vagina, uterus enlarged and prolapsed, sterility, vaginismus. Heart, sensation as if the heart stopped beating for 2 or 3 seconds, immediately followed by a tumultuous rebound with sinking at the epigastrium. Palpitation, pulse rapid, feeble, irregular, hypertrophy, high blood pressure, valvular lesion of arteriosclerotic nature. Respiratory, dyspnea at night, frequent deep breathing, stitches in sternum. Bones, destruction of bones like secondary syphilis, pain in bones of head, lumps under scalp, exostosis with nightly pains and bones, caries of nasal, palatine and mastoid bones, soreness of affected bones, better in open air, worse at night. extremities. All the blood seems to rush from head to lower limbs. Dropsy of lower limbs. Orgasm as if blood were boiling in all veins. Paralytic. Tearing pains in joints. Knees weak. Sleep. Sleepless. Sobs aloud in sleep. Frightful dreams. Modalities worse in cold weather. When getting cold, many complaints come on only in winter. From sunset to sunrise. Relationship antidotes: belladonna, cinchona, cuprum, mercury. Dose: 3rd to 30th potency. Later potency specially for increased blood pressure.